Imagine this. You come to your computer and it's already done half your work. That's the power of automation. Instead of doing repetitive tasks manually, you can teach your computer to do them for you. Windows automation is like having a personal assistant for your computer. It can handle boring and repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more important things. Whether it's simple file operations or complex system administration, automation makes your life easier. Automation is not just about saving time, it's also about accuracy. When you automate tasks, you eliminate the risk of human error. Your scripts will run flawlessly every time, ensuring consistent and reliable results. In the following sections, we'll explore the world of Windows automation using two powerful tools, PowerShell and Task Scheduler. Get ready to unlock new levels of efficiency and productivity. Why waste time doing something a machine can do better and faster? That's the question automation answers. Let's face it, nobody enjoys repetitive tasks. They're tedious, time-consuming, and frankly a bit soul-crushing. Automation is your ticket to freedom from these digital chores. Imagine automatically backing up your important files every day or cleaning up your hard drive with a single click. No more manual drudgery, just smooth and effortless automation. But the benefits go beyond just saving time. Automation also increases your accuracy. We're all human, and even the most careful of us make mistakes. Computers, on the other hand, excel at precision. By automating tasks, you eliminate the potential for human error. Your scripts run exactly as you instruct them, ensuring consistent and reliable results every time. This is especially crucial for tasks that require high accuracy, like data processing or system maintenance. At the heart of Windows automation lies PowerShell, a powerful scripting language and automation engine. Think of it as a turbocharged command prompt, capable of far more than just basic file operations. PowerShell allows you to interact with your operating system at a deeper level. You can manage files and folders, control system processes, and even automate entire workflows. Its versatility and flexibility make it an indispensable tool for any Windows user. But PowerShell's true power lies in its ability to automate complex tasks. By combining commands into scripts, you can automate virtually any aspect of your Windows environment. From simple file backups to intricate system administration tasks, PowerShell has you covered. In the upcoming sections, we'll delve deeper into the world of PowerShell, exploring its syntax, commands, and how to write your own automation scripts. Get ready to unlock the full potential of this amazing tool. Before you can start automating your world, you need to know how to use PowerShell. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First things first, accessing PowerShell is a breeze. You can find it by searching for PowerShell in the Windows Start menu. Once you've launched PowerShell, you'll be greeted by a console window with a blinking cursor. This is your command line interface where the magic happens. PowerShell uses a simple syntax that's easy to learn, even for beginners. Commands in PowerShell are known as CMDLETs, pronounced commandlets. These CMDLETs are the building blocks of your automation scripts. They perform specific actions like manipulating files, managing processes, or interacting with system settings. To execute a CMDLET, simply type its name followed by any required parameters and press enter. For example, to list all the files in your current directory, you would use the CMDLET. Congratulations, you've just taken your first step into the world of PowerShell. Section 5. Essential PowerShell commands for automation. Now that you're familiar with the basics of PowerShell, let's explore some essential commands that will become your automation allies. These commands will form the foundation of your scripts, allowing you to perform a wide range of tasks. First up is your go-to command for navigating and manipulating files and folders. With, you can list directory contents, filter files by type or date, and even search for specific files. Next, we have your trusty sidekicks for managing files. As their name suggests, these commands allow you to copy and move files and folders with ease. You can specify source and destination paths, as well as optional parameters for overwriting or renaming files. No automation toolkit would be complete without the ability to manage processes. That's where, come in. These commands allow you to view running processes, launch new ones, and terminate existing ones. These are just a few examples of the many powerful commands available in PowerShell. As you continue your automation journey, be sure to explore the vast library of CMDLETs at your disposal. Section 6. Crafting your first PowerShell script. Writing a PowerShell script is like creating a recipe for your computer. You provide a set of instructions and PowerShell executes them one by one. Let's put your newfound PowerShell knowledge into practice by crafting a simple script. Open up your favorite text editor and create a new file. This will be where you write your script. PowerShell scripts typically have a PS1 file extension. Now let's start with a simple task, creating a directory on your desktop. The first line of your script will use the cmdlet to create a new directory. Specify the desired path for your directory, for example, $NV, user profile desktop, my new directory. This will create a folder named my new directory on your desktop. Save your script with a descriptive name such as createdirectory.ps1. To run your script, open a PowerShell window, navigate to the directory where you saved it, and type the script's name like createdirectory.ps1, followed by enter. Congratulations, you've just written and executed your first PowerShell script. Feel the power of automation coursing through your veins. This is just the beginning of what you can achieve with PowerShell. Section 7. Automating tasks with Windows Task Scheduler. You've written your first PowerShell script, and it's ready to automate your world. But what if you want to run this script automatically, without any manual intervention? That's where Windows Task Scheduler comes in, your trusty sidekick for scheduling automated tasks. Task Scheduler allows you to create scheduled tasks that run your scripts at specific times or intervals. You can schedule tasks to run daily, weekly, monthly, or even when certain events occur, such as when your computer starts up or when you log in. To create a new scheduled task, open the Task Scheduler application. You can find it by searching for Task Scheduler in the Windows Start menu. Once you've launched Task Scheduler, you'll be presented with an interface for creating and managing tasks. Click on Create Basic Task to start the task creation wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts to give your task a name, set a trigger when you want the task to run, and specify the action, which is running your PowerShell script. Section 8. Practical PowerShell automation examples. Now that you're familiar with the basics of PowerShell and Task Scheduler, let's explore some practical automation examples that you can implement in your daily workflow. These examples will showcase the versatility and power of PowerShell for automating various tasks. First up, let's automate the process of cleaning up your downloads folder. This script will delete all files older than a certain number of days, freeing up valuable disk space. You can schedule this script to run weekly or monthly using Task Scheduler. Next, let's automate the process of backing up your important files to an external drive. This script will copy all files from your Documents folder to your external drive, ensuring that your data is safe and sound. You can schedule this script to run daily or weekly. For our final example, let's create a script that automatically sends you a daily email report of your computer's system status. This script will gather information such as CPU usage, memory consumption, and disk space, and send it to your email address. These are just a few examples of the countless ways you can use PowerShell to automate your tasks. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination and scripting skills. Section 9. Tips for streamlining your automation workflow. As you delve deeper into the world of automation, keep these tips in mind to streamline your workflow and maximize your efficiency. These best practices will help you write cleaner, more efficient scripts and avoid common pitfalls. First and foremost, always test your scripts thoroughly before letting them loose on your system. Start by running them in a controlled environment, such as a virtual machine, to prevent any unintended consequences. Use comments liberally throughout your scripts to explain what each section of code does. This will make your scripts easier to understand and maintain in the long run. Remember, a well-documented script is a happy script. Leverage PowerShell's error handling capabilities to gracefully handle any errors that may occur during script execution. This will prevent your scripts from crashing and burning, ensuring that they run smoothly. By following these tips, you'll become a PowerShell automation wizard in no time, effortlessly automating tasks and boosting your productivity to new heights.